Certainly the best. I have the best stay. The place is very near with other places. The place are very clean. The owner are very nice. She helped me when I'm lost while trying to find the place. The place it's not that hard to find, but because my lack of sense in finding ways make it difficult. But the owner guide me throughout the way. I brought my mom along and she find it very cute considering my groups consist of elder people. They find it very unique. The place is nice, the fact that there's a playground outside and very peaceful even though I don't have kids. This place would be my on list for the next visit. Great hotel, great service and facilities. Affordable pricing, very convenient and good location with many eateries nearby. Parking offered. The room is clean and all the basic facilities are provided. Complimentary beverages, as well as biscuits also provided. Water heater was working well. Very cute decoration of Hello Kitty. Children enjoyed themselves with playground just outside the door. Overall, very satisfied with my stay. Will come back again. Great Hello Kitty apartment. The place to stay, especially if you are traveling in big group with young children, ESP girls. Cutely decorated place, and best part, the balcony opens up to a playground. Apartment is clean and just like home. Beds and pillows are comfortable enough. Water pressure is good. Instant noodle and electric cooker is even provided for when you feel hungry. Parking is available free and with security guard on site. Location in Tanah Rata is great. Easy to find food around, and there's even a self-service laundromat in the same building. Host is friendly and very welcoming smile. Just make sure you make contact with the host before arriving so that you can check in with ease. I sent queries through the Agoda app and got a response swiftly. Exceptional, friendly owner and responsible. Responded any inquiry in a very short time. Highly recommended. Exceptional. We like it very much. Hello Kitty theme just very nice. Very clean and tidy. Spacious compared to hotels. Good location near shops, food court and Maybank. Same building with a Villian Hotel but half of the hotel price. Very friendly and corporative owner. Very suitable for traveling with 5 to 6 in a family. I will definitely come again to this Hello Kitty condo. Holiday. Been to many apartments in Cameron but this is the best. Kids can enjoy the playground and all of us can enjoy steamboat at the balcony of the apartment. Love it so much. Meet Lee and she is such a nice person. For sure will come back to her apartment. Pleasant stay, clean and comfy. My childrens were very excited with the Hello Kitty concept. The location is very strategic, all facilities are available. If you are Muslim, no need to worry, there's a lot of halal food kiosk/food court around the condo.